Welcome to Just a Sliver. Today we're making oven chips and French fries. You may be thinking, it's just as easy to go to the shops and get a bag of pre-made chips. However, with the cost of pre-packaged food these days, you're better off just making your own. Depending where you are in the world, you're looking for a starchy potato. Here in Australia, I'm using either the red potato, which I'm cutting now, or the brushed potato, which is high in starch. I'm currently cutting a thick chip or a steak fry and putting into some water so that the potato doesn't turn brown. And now I'm cutting some French fries, a slightly thinner slice and then into thin strips. As you can see, I'm placing into some cold water. I am simply washing the potatoes here. I will not be soaking them. In some boiling water, place in 2 tablespoons of vinegar and boil for 8 minutes, stirring occasionally. The vinegar essentially seals the potato so it doesn't fall apart. While they're boiling, you can get your seasoning ready. I'm using fresh rosemary and thyme. I will also be using some garlic powder and salt. Time to drain the potatoes now. Make sure you have some paper towel ready and a colander to drain off as much water as you can. And then transfer the potatoes onto the paper towel to dry out for approximately 15 minutes. After your 15 minutes to half an hour is up, you can place the chips into a bowl and then add your seasonings over the top. Some garlic powder, some of the rosemary and thyme, and salt, with the addition of some olive oil. And then toss that around to make sure that each chip is coated. I like to put my chips on a wire rack so that it heats and cooks underneath it and doesn't get stuck to the pan. And now for your French fries. I'm putting in a mixture of vegetable oil and olive oil. Once the oil has reached 200 degrees Celsius, you can safely drop in your French fries. We're doing our first fry for 3 minutes in stages and putting off to the side, ready for our final 5-minute cook, which will assist in having our French fries super soft on the inside and crunchy on the outside. We do our first fry in batches so that the French fries don't stick together. But now on our 5-minute final fry, we can put them all in because at this stage they won't stick together. Our steak fries are ready. I'm placing them into a basket lined with some napkins just to take away any of the residual oil. And for the French fries, I have some paper towel going into the bowl that I will season in. This will also soak up any extra oil. I'm adding in my salt and my mixed herbs, removing the paper towel and giving that a good toss before placing into the basket next to my steak fries. This is such an easy way to make fries and super cheap. The first time, whilst you're getting used to it, may take a little while, but on the second go, you'll be done in no time. Thanks for joining me for Just a Sliver Chips. See you soon.